In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop video in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make a video play continuously on repeat inside your Canva design, which is perfect for social media posts, background visuals, or simple animations. First, open Canva and head to the design where you want your looping video. This could be a template you're already working on or a brand new design. Once your canvas is open, make sure your video is already added to the page. If it isn't, you can either upload your own clip from your computer or choose one from Canva's video library on the left-hand side. Drag and drop the video onto your design and position or resize it however you like. Next, click directly on the video so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlighted outline and the video toolbar appears at the top of the screen. Look towards the top menu for video-specific options, such as trimming, volume, or playback settings. Depending on Canva's current layout, these controls might appear as icons or as a small panel above the editor. What you're looking for is the playback or loop option. In many cases, Canva will automatically loop your video when it's exported as an MP4 or played as part of a presentation. However, it's important to check the video length and how it fits into your overall design. If your design has multiple pages or slides, make sure the video's duration is what you want it to be on that specific page. You can drag the ends of the video timeline to trim it and focus on the exact section you want to repeat. Now, preview your design. Use the preview or play button at the top right to see how the video behaves. Watch it all the way through to confirm that it restarts smoothly and feels continuous. If the transition from the end back to the beginning feels abrupt, consider trimming a few frames off the start or end so it flows more naturally. When you're happy with how it loops, click the download button. Choose MP4 video as your file type. Canva will process your design and embed the video so that, when played in most media players or on social platforms that support looping, it will repeat seamlessly. That's all you need to loop a video in Canva. Add your clip, adjust its length, preview the playback, and export as an MP4. With this simple process, you can create eye-catching looping visuals ready to share anywhere.